Hey guys, Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. We're talking about how to quickly analyze and run deals or run leads or properties that you're looking to buy. Too many real estate investors out there play business and they waste a lot of time on a deal that's just never going to work. Doesn't matter how you're getting your leads. Could be from a real estate agent, directly from a seller, from a wholesaler. You got to have a candid conversation with them first, just to see what their expectations are, right? If they want 300 and there's no way you're willing to pay more than 150, no point of going out to the property to see it. It's just a waste of time, right? Now, I understand construction costs differ, but you got to have a conversation first before you waste time driving to the property, looking at the property, bringing a contractor into the property, calling a real estate agent, writing an offer or contract. It just doesn't work. Same goes with if you selling a wholesale deal to a buyer. Figure out what the expectation is. The easiest thing to do, we go through a lot of leads every day. The easiest thing to do is get on the phone, have a candid conversation, see where their head is, tell them approximately where you're going to come in at. And if it works approximately, then do more due diligence.